recently we had staged our mega hit dance drama Srinivasa Kalyanam on December 22nd, 2025 in Chennai and December 23rd, 2025 in Urapakkam. Srinivasa Kalyanam has been a dance drama where the roles have been set so beautifully, and it's a drama where it has sort of absorbed into each student, and the character that they portray in those dramas just comes very easily and naturally. But during these two stages of Srinivasa Kalyanam, Sheila ma'am decided to switch up the character list and reassign different characters to the students who were already doing existing ones in the drama. For the first show in Chennai, it was a character shuffle that happened before rehearsals started, and we had 2 rehearsals to practice, show and get our characters corrected before we staged it. After that show, something was amiss for Sheila ma'am. So when we had assembled the very next day for our second staging of Srinivasa Kalyanam, we had already gotten ready with our makeup and costume, and after debating for a while, Sheila ma'am decided to make another character change, and the students got unready and freshly ready with their new characters right before we went on stage. This happened 2 hours before our show time, and this was probably a first.
After the premiere performance of Srinivasa Kalyanam in 2018, Sheila ma'am had asked us what other roles we would like to try out if we were given a chance to swap our roles, and immediately I had told that I would like to try the role of Vakula Devi. And in 2024 I performed that character for the first time, and I've been performing it a few times now, and it's been a very beautiful experience to portray that character, which is so deep and profound.
So இதுதான் உங்க ரிஷி கெட்டப், ஓகேயா? நீங்க இப்போ சூரியன் பண்ணி இந்த சண்டி அடிக்க என்ன பண்ணா? சரி, ஓகே. சண்டி வந்து அப்படி வெறும் தாயா. ஓகே, நீங்க சூரியன் பண்ணி.
Recently, I had also been thinking what other character that I would like to portray in the production, and I felt that the character of Sage Bhrigu is very layered and interesting. And it was such a wonderful coincidence that during our recent performance of Srinivasa Kalyanam, just a couple of hours before the program, I was asked if I would like to do the role of Sage Bhrigu in that program, and I immediately jumped to agree and perform that character and try out that character.
மூர்த்திகள் மூவர் கமலவதனம் கமலநயனம் கமலபாதம் கமலஹாசம் கமலவதனம் கமலநயனம் கமலபாதம் கமலஹாசம் கமலவதனம் கமலநயனம் கமலபாதம் கமலஹாசம்.
It was truly a thrilling experience for me to portray the role of Sage Bhrigu on stage, even without rehearsing it once. It is an experience that I will remember forever.
பிருகுமுனியா வாழை உரை குளித்து மூடினார் போல் குளிரிமைகள் பொருந்த விழி இரண்டும் மூடி அருந்தவம் புரிவோய் அன்னாய் உன் அருள் விழி தீரவாய் வந்திருப்பவள்தான் வகுள மாலிகா யசோதையாயிருந்தாள் பூர்வ ஜென்மத்தில் பீலி சூடும் பெருமான் கண்ணனின் மாலை சூடும் மணவினை காணும் பேற்றை யசோதை பெறவில்லை ஆதலால் அக்காட்சி காணும்
கமல கணையெடுத்து என் மேல் தொடுக்கிறானடி, மாறன் என்னை வதைக்கிறானடி.
நீர் உத்தியானவனத்திலே இந்த மத்தியான வேளையில் வித்தியாசமாக வந்து எங்கள் வேந்தன் மகள் மேல் விழி வைக்கிறீர். யாரையா நீர்?
ஆஹா,
குறி சொல்வாயா? இதோ பார், ஏதோ ஆகி என் புதல்வி இயல்பு முழுதும் மாறிவிட்டாள். பாதம் தொடங்கி முகம் வரைக்கும் பசலை பூத்தவளாகிவிட்டாள். என்ன நடந்தது கண்டு சொல். இது எப்படி மாறும் என்று சொல்.
Ever since the first staging of Srinivasa Kalyanam in 2018, I have played only the role of Vishnu and Srinivasa. This is the first time in my whole dance career where I have not had a role change within a dance drama, and doing the role of Srinivasa almost came naturally, as if it was like breathing. You could wake me up and tell me to go do it and it would come. And it was at that point when Sheila ma'am decided, you know what, maybe we should change you and make you do something else. And boy, was it an opportunity. I'd always been eyeing the role of Kurati in Srinivasa Kalyanam, and I was thinking maybe in another life I could get to do it. And to have this opportunity presented to me was absolutely wonderful, and I jumped at it, and it's the most fun I've had on stage in a long while. And it was actually the first female character I'd played in a long time in Sridevi Nrityalaya dance drama, so it made it all the more special.
ஜக்கம்மா சொல்வதை இக்கணமே உரைக்கின்றேன்.
திக்கெல்லாம் ஆளும் ராஜன் தேவியே, நீ கேளம்மா.
உறவாடினாய் ஸ்ரீவத்சனே, பின்பு கண்ணனாய் பல தாரலோல லீலா வினோதனாய் விளையாடினாய். வேங்கடவாணனாய் இனி செய்யப் போகின்ற மாயவேலை லீலை அது என்னவோ?
Although it is always expect the unexpected in an SDN rehearsal, especially for dance dramas, this was beyond what any of us had imagined, because we usually have changes done before rehearsals or even the day before the program, but this happened just 2 hours before the show. This was truly a wonderful experience, and since Srinivasa Kalyanam is a drama that has been enjoyed by even us students in the rehearsals, it was very easy for the new students to settle into their roles and perform naturally.